Hello everyone, welcome to your English grammar class of class 3rd. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will start lesson number 1 of grammar. Okay, so let's begin our class. Lesson number 1, the sentence. When we need to express a thought, we speak or write certain words in a certain order. Means when we need to express a thought, we either write or we speak certain words in a certain order. For example, if I want to tell about a girl that she is a beautiful beautiful girl. Okay, so I want to tell about a girl that she is a beautiful girl. But I have written all these words in a certain order, means I cannot write these words as girl, is she beautiful. Now these words do not give any sense. Girl, is she beautiful? From here I cannot draw any sense. So these words should be in a certain order, and these ordered group of words which makes complete sense. Okay, that is known as a sentence. Now, few points to remember about a sentence. First one is a sentence should always begin with a capital letter. Means we always begins a sentence with a capital letter. Second, the word should be in order. Should be ordered in a certain way to make a complete sense. As I already told you now, that these words should be arranged in an ordered way. Now, third one is the sentence usually ends with a full stop. Okay, at the end of a sentence, there is a full stop. For example, the rose smells sweet. Here, the first letter is capital, and at the end of the sentence, a full stop is there. We have now learned that sentence is a group of words, is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, here first sentence is I do not. Here it is, these words are written as I do not, but these words do not give any complete sense. Okay, they give incomplete sense. So this is not a sentence. The complete sentence is I do not like bananas. Now here this sentence gives complete sense that I do not like bananas. So this is a sentence. Second one is breakfast eating he? From here also we cannot draw any meaning from these words. So this is also not a sentence. Next is he is eating breakfast. When these words are arranged in a certain order, and these form a sentence, he is eating breakfast. So here we can draw a meaning from this sentence, these words. So this is a sentence. Okay, now a sentence can be divided into two parts. First one is the naming part, and the other is the predicate part. The person, place, thing or emotion that is spoken about, means about whom or about what thing we are talking. Okay, that is known as a naming part. The person, place, thing, or emotion that is spoken about, means about which we are talking about in the sentence. That is known as a naming part. Okay, and the second part, and that is known as subject. And second part is what is said about that person, place, thing, or emotion. That is the doing part, and is known as predicate. So a sentence can be divided into two parts: subject and predicate. For example, the sun shines bright. Here we are talking about the sun. So this is a naming part, that is subject, and shines bright is a doing part, that the sun shines bright. So this is a predicate part. Okay. Now here are some examples. First one is the dog. This is a naming part because we are talking about the dog. And is barking. This is the doing part. What the dog is doing? The dog is barking. Second, they are playing cricket. Okay, so they is a subject part and are playing cricket is a predicate. Third, that bicycle is yours. So that bicycle is a naming part and is yours doing part. The girl is carrying a bag. So the girl is the subject part and is carrying a bag is the doing part. That is a predicate. Okay. The naming part in a sentence is called the subject, and the subject indicates the person or thing that does the action in the sentence. Second part is the predicate part. This is the doing part of the sentence, and the predicate describes the action that the subject does. It refers to the rest of the sentence beginning with the verb. Okay, it means the predicate part begins with a verb. Thus, a sentence is made up of two parts, the subject and the predicate. Okay, now this was the explanation of your lesson. Now we will do the exercises. So the first exercise is separate the following sentences into their subject and predicate. A herd of cattle is grazing. So a herd of cattle is the subject part and is grazing is a predicate part. Okay, so you have to write here the herd of cattle, this is subject, and is grazing, predicate. Now second sentence is the teacher gave us homework. So the teacher, subject part, gave us homework, predicate. Third is the clock ticks all day long. So the clock is subject, ticks all day long, predicate. There is a deer in the park. So there is a deer is a subject part, in the park, predicate. They solved the sums quickly. This one, fifth sentence, they is a subject part and solved the sums quickly, predicate. The boys were watching the match. Okay, the boys were watching the match. So the boys, subject, were watching the match, predicate. Sunday is the first day of the week. So Sunday is the first subject and is the first day of the week, predicate. Now next question, question number 8. Wisdom is better than strength. So wisdom is subject and is better than the strength, is better than strength is predicate. An old man, subject, sat under a tree, predicate. The singing of the bird delights us, predicate. And the singing of the bird, subject. Okay. You have to complete this work in neat and clean handwriting in your note, in your book. Okay. Now, exercise B. Look at the following groups of words. Tick a sentence and cross if not. So first one is to the west. But what to the west? It is not a sentence because it does not give complete sense. Second, up the hill. This is also not a sentence. The cross here. Third, drink cold water. Cross here, not a sentence. He sang a song. Here we get complete sense. So this is a sentence. Book is mine. Incomplete sense. So not a sentence. He was flying a kite. From here we get the complete sense. So this is a sentence. So we have to tick here. Then seventh, we traveled to. Not a sentence. So cross here. Children played in the park. Okay, so here also we get the complete sense. So this is a sentence. Ninth, she helps everyone. This is also a sentence. So tick here. And India is my country. This is also a sentence. This is your exercise number B. You can pause the video and you can complete your work. Okay, but all have to complete your work neatly. Now see, match correct predicates with the given subjects to make complete sentences. First one is subject my father. So predicate part is reading the news. Okay, you have to match these subjects with the predicates given here. Okay, so first one is my father is reading the book. So write here one. The kite flew high in the air. This is two. Write here two. Then third, our class went for a picnic. This is third. Rahul and I are good friends. So write here four. She is a nurse. So write here five. The barber cut my hair. So write here six. A hungry tiger is a dangerous animal. Write here seven. This book is very interesting. So 8. Diwali is the festival of light. The horse and the dog are men's best friends. Okay, so this is 10th. Okay, so this is exercise C. Now next exercise on page number 8. Complete the following sentences by filling in the subject part. You have to fill the subjects for these predicates. First one is Dash is confident about her performance. So you can write here Sunita. You can write any other name also. Then second, Dash is a wild animal. Tiger. Third, Dash has 11 players. Cricket. Fourth, tricolor is the national flag of India. So write here tricolor. Fifth, Dash has a long trunk. Elephant. Okay, write correct spellings. Next exercise E. Look at the pictures and the words and make correct sentences. Remember to use the capital letter and full stop for each sentence. First one is already done for you. So first one is red, and this is a rose. The, so you have to write down the rose is red. Next one is, here you can see children like to, these are balloons, play with. So children like to play with balloons. Third, the cat is running after the mouse. Fourth, shines the, this is sun, is the sky, in the sky. So the sun shines in the sky. Fifth is fish swim in water. Sixth, birds build their nest in trees. Okay. Seventh, sheep gives us wool. Eighth, we have 10 fingers. Okay. So this is exercise E. Okay. So now you can take the screenshot of this exercise also, and you can complete your work in neat and clean handwriting in your book. Okay. So this was your lesson number 1. We have completed all the exercises. You have to complete this work in your book, and also you have to learn all these exercises in homework. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.